guys, this is Kishore, founder and CEO for Crowdfund Junction and Matt for NFTs, and we are back again with another video on how you can make money from cryptos. Now we are into the Bitcoin halving week, so it's less than a week. Bitcoin is going to halve, and we're looking at a lot of positive things out there. But let's first look at the markets. So you can see over here, there's been a pullback from 70,000 levels down to 65. Bitcoin is right now at 65. Ethereum 3,000, Binance 566, Solana 151. If you look at the altcoins, mostly all in green, which is a good sign. So what are we expecting this week? We are expecting Bitcoin to halve. So what is Bitcoin halving? So let's understand that Bitcoin halving occurs every 4 years, and this basically reduces the reward to miners by half. So in 2009 the reward was 50 Bitcoins, and then in 2012 was 25, 2016 12 and a half, 2020 is 6.25, and then now the halving is going to be in 2024, which is going to be half of 6.25, which is 3.1 something, right? So guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to go up, because every time there's a halving, Bitcoin price tends to go up. And what are we expecting? We are expecting Bitcoin is predicted to go to $150,000 each Bitcoin. All right, now it obviously makes total sense for us to jump in and capture this opportunity, and that's what we did, guys. We traded Bitcoin. Yes, that's exactly what we did. We traded Bitcoin. So let me share my screen so you can see over here. We traded Bitcoin. We went in and we bought before the market crashed last 1 or 2 days, and we were able to, as you can see over here, we went in and we bought, and we were able to make $10,000 profit, and we took this profit. So it was a very, very timely opportunity where we were able to make this money. Now, obviously, whatever we share with you is for educational purposes. Please do your own research. If you like to trade along with us, you can always subscribe and become part of our community. The cost is less than that of a coffee. But what we do is we record these videos and we share with our community on the YouTube channel after 1 or 2, 3 days. And we also share our portfolio. So this is our portfolio, as you can see over here, our past portfolio, and Maker is up 59%, Radium 46%, Pax Gold 19%, Litecoin 14%, BNB 8%, Rune 8%, XMR 3%. So we also share our portfolio. We'll be sharing this link as well. Now, a lot of our community has asked us if they can hire us to trade. So we have good news. We have finally launched it, and the news is now you can literally hire us to trade. Okay, we'll share with you the link how you can hire us to trade. Book a call, and we will basically share with you the details in the call. If you like what we have shared with you, please comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, happy trading, and we'll see you again in the next video.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.